Hey, I'm Annika from iDoc, and in this repair tip I'll show you how to open your smartphone easily and safely. In order to start repairing your smartphone, you have to open it first. This can be quite tricky, especially for repair beginners. Therefore, take enough time for it. Note that the IP certification expires as soon as you open your device. That means it is no longer 100% waterproof after the repair. With most smartphones, either the back cover or the screen is heavily glued. If you have an iPhone, the screen is additionally screwed. To loosen the glue, you should heat it sufficiently beforehand. We therefore recommend that you first check where exactly the glue runs. You can take a look at the adhesive frame for your respective model in our online store, or you can watch the respective part of our repair videos where the back cover or the display is removed. In our tutorials, we show you the entire opening process step by step. If you have difficulties opening the case despite our instructions, this can have several reasons. Maybe you did not heat up the glue sufficiently, or the suction cup does not fit properly. Especially if you want to repair a used smartphone, it is also possible that it has been opened before and sealed with superglue, for example. In any case, you should be patient when opening the smartphone. Tools that can make the opening process easier are the very flat and sharp-edged iFlex or the S-Clack, which requires less force than a simple suction cup.
Ich hoffe, dieser Reparaturtipp hat dir weitergeholfen.
If this repair tip helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We've compiled more tips for your repair in a playlist. Check it out on occasion. You can find high-quality tools, spare parts and accessories for your smartphone repair in our store. iDoc, everything for your smartphone. Click here for more helpful videos. See you next time.